1970 Buick Electra 225 custom convertible here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Odometer reads 84,215, so 84,215, believed to be original miles in this car. Numbers matching, 455 V8 underneath the hood. That's paired up with the numbers matching automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic, 400 to be exact. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Technician did note the AC will need a compressor. It's not blowing cold at the moment. Let's take a look at the chrome in the front of this car. Buick Tri-Shield emblem, still intact between the two grills. Bamboo cream paint coat of 50. Black interior. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, top up, top down trunk. And all those pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. You can see the paint has a nice shine on the hood. There's a few spots where it is a little bit thin, but again, nice shine to it, as you can see. Is it perfect? No, you may find a touch up here or there, but overall, it's one of those cars, get in, drive it, go have some fun. Put the top down, enjoy the afternoon. Steel wheels, Buick wheel covers, white wall radial tires. Let's go ahead and take a look down this passenger side. If you stick around to the end of the video, I will show you the top going up and down. Jason's going to take it for a drive. We'll check out the condition of that top once we get it up. Did notice there's a little bit of a ding right there. Nothing too crazy. Interior has a trim code of 618, so this is black vinyl interior, which would have been the original color of the interior. It looks like it could easily be the original interior. Dash in great shape. Of course, the old Electra 225, commonly referred to as a deuce and a quarter. Convertible top cover. Fits nicely. You can see the panels are nice and straight. Fender skirt's intact. Take a look at the chrome in the rear bumper. And once again, all those still pictures, there'll be over 100 online. uniqueclassiccars.com. Got a little texture in the paint, kind of right there, if you can see it. Kind of washes out when I get right up on top of it. Be a fun car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, your local shows. And if you like these Buicks, no matter what era, big old Buicks, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. Looks like there's just a little bit of cracking in the paint on that fender skirt. Just a few spots like this right here where there's a little bit of touch-up. But a car that'll turn heads, no doubt about that. A couple notes from the technician on this one. Brakes straight, drives out well. Brakes are 80% in the front, 75% in the rear. And it does have new front wheel cylinders. All right, let's go ahead and take a little closer look at this interior before we put that top up. So you can see power seat over here on the driver's side, power windows, power locks. Of course, Buick's nicely equipped. I've not noticed any rips, tears, or holes in the seats. It's like I said, I wouldn't be surprised. A little bit of a wear spot right there. Pretty minute. Like I said, I wouldn't be surprised if this is original model car and the original interior, the way it looks. Tilt column. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Again, that 455, numbers matching. Original engine to this car, as well as the transmission. Fuel gauge working. Factory cruise control car. Power convertible top. Sorry about the focus there. There's the odometer reading. 84 215. Again, top of the dash looking good. I've not played around with the stereo much. We'll leave it on here, see if it powers up at all. Obviously, sometimes they take a little bit to warm up on the older ones. Sounds good, nice throttle response. Door closes nicely. Let's listen. Oh, it sounds good too. Ready to cruise. All right, it's going to take me both hands to get this hood open. So let me go ahead and pause this a second. We'll check out that engine bay, get the tripod set up, check out that convertible top. There's a good look at the underside of the hood and engine bay. Once again, 455 original engine to the car. Numbers, you'll see that in the still pics. And it's kind of cool, if you look in the still pics, you're going to see where the stamping is on the block. And you can see where they actually made a mistake on one digit and went back over it and corrected it. It's kind of cool. Obviously what happened, because every other stamp on there is in the correct order and correct to the VIN number, with that one little misstamp. Hey, they were human. And then remember, AC, but the AC will need some care. It has been converted to a 134A, as you can see by this fitting back here. Nicely equipped, smooth runner, no doubt about that. Let's go ahead and get the tripod set up. Check out this convertible top. All right, convertible top up, as you can see. Functions as it should. Latch down nicely above the windshield, nice tight fit. And then power windows, rolled those up so you can see that they work. And how they fit along the convertible top here looks pretty good. A little bit of wear along the piping on the edge of it, but nothing too terrible there. One little wear right there. So black vinyl. Glass rear window. Slip around here to the passenger side. A few wrinkles, those will come out in the sun and the heat out in the summer. And again, maybe just a little wear in the piping, but if you need it to keep you dry or out of the sun, it's going to serve its purpose just fine. No problems there. And the side glass fits nicely over here in the passenger side and back to above the windshield. Looking good. All right, I will show you the top going back down, then stick around to the very end. Jason's going to take it for a drive. It's a numbers matching tranny and engine 1970 Buick Electra 225 custom convertible, believed to be original miles. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1970 Buick Electra. This is a convertible, and we have the top down today on a beautiful day in Minnesota. Our turn signals are working, those nice quiet turn signals. There's hardly even a sound. I love that. None of that loud clicking or dinging. The luxurious Buick. Speedometer working. The fuel gauge reads just about empty. That's possibly correct. We are clock equipped over here, though I do not see it counting the seconds. We have a clock. The wipers work on this car. The blower motor also works. Multi-position power adjustable seat. That's also working. Power windows, of course. Loaded up with power steering and power brakes as well. Great looking interior. Great looking paint. Very smooth running, as a lot of GM vehicles from this era were. Idles right away when you start her up. Luxurious ride. We have a bench seat in front and back with fold down armrest. Brakes nice and smooth. Not even a crack in the steering wheel. Corners, well, for a 1970, it is luxurious in the corners, but we expect that. There's the kickdown. Plenty of power pulling this big car around. Lots of fun to drive. 1970 Buick Electra. Find all the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.